Well, good morning. Here we are in Bramhope. We're in North Leeds, and today we've got this garden patio to clean up. Concrete flags, really quite dirty and grimy in places, and obvious signs of black lichen and green lichen. The customer has some reservations about whether we use any chemical treatments, just because he's got an aquarium there with 20-year-old fish. So we're going to clean it down first, see what we're left with, and then decide whether to use any chemical. Before we do that though, let's have a quick look around, see what we're dealing with. Well, this is the first thing you see as soon as you walk out of the conservatory into the patio. We've got this terrible grimy, dark, stained area. As we walk around, again, very dark and dirty here. We'll have a sweep up first, get rid of these leaves so that we're not blowing them around. Fish, big fellas. Different lichen stains here. Let's get started. Okay, so as we can see, there's a lot of staining here. Most of this is black lichen. Right, I've spoken to the customer and we've decided that we're going to put a chemical treatment down, but we're going to be very, very careful. I'm not going to do too much spraying, just spraying at this side, and I'm going to brush it over to this side. The fish tank is such that it's completely lined in fiberglass. There's no route for the chemical to get in there, so we think we're fairly safe. But I'm going to be quite cautious how I put it down, just to ensure that we don't get any spray, that kind of thing. So we've got all the foam rinsed off now, and it's looking really quite a lot better than it was now. Customer's very happy with it actually. So before I get packed up to get off to the next job, let's just have a quick look at some of those trouble spots that were here. Well, the first thing to say is that the whole surface was really dirty and grimy. Beneath that there was a lot of black lichen infestation, worse in some parts than in others, but it was pretty much over the whole surface. So this area here was particularly dirty, and I mean, look at it now, it's fantastic. Then this area in front of this mini hedge was probably the worst area. There was a deep black lichen infestation all the way along here. So I'm very happy with it, the customer is too. On to the next job.